Have you been looking for a really easy way to write your social media posts, your captions, and just kind of your day-to-day writing that you have to do as a small business owner? Ginsberg talked about having tidbits. No, he used the word remnants, using remnants of time. So stuff like your old writing, like your emails, your text messages, stuff you might not have thought of as being valuable, yet they are. Using those remnants to create your content. Oh my gosh, this is so simple. And you literally have a treasure chest at your fingertips. People are constantly emailing you and texting you and sending you direct messages and asking you questions about your expertise and things. And chances are you're sending them back messages dutifully, writing up different ways of doing things. And what do you do with that stuff? You can make it into captions, repurpose those little remnants of time, those little bits and pieces of your day. Use them to make stories. Here's how Billy Collins suggests we do it. And I tried this morning. It was awesome. Billy Collins suggests, by the way, he is award-winning. He is profound. He is a beautiful writer. Billy Collins suggests that you sit down with your journal and you make a list of what happened yesterday. What did you do yesterday, actually? Not what happened, what did you do? So I made my list. And at first it seemed like pretty ridiculous. I wrote about conversations that I had. I wrote about the Ta-Da Tuesday that I held. I talked about making some revisions, and I talked about making some Instagram stories, just like really basic stuff. But what happened is I got to see the flow of my day, the remnants of my day, which will connect me to other people through the actions, the mundane stuff that I was doing. Are you following me here? In the blog post that goes with this video, if you're watching on Facebook or on YouTube, I will link to it in the description. But I talk about, and I prompt you, I give you a prompt about making a list of life events that you want to remember and life events that you don't want to remember. Other things can be the mundane, like I just literally saw and heard a bird, the likes of which I've never seen or heard before. Wow. But right, and the seemingly mundane thing that I do almost every day, which is make video, a huge awareness. I wrote my morning pages. I highlighted it with ahas that I'm following up with. That is amazing. It's every day and it's amazing. And it's content that I can use tomorrow and next week and next month and next year and 10 years from now. Because some of the content I'm using, it's like 15 years old. But it is forever, and your text messages and your emails from now and 5 years ago are valuable. Please, I encourage you to go back and scoop up those remnants of time and see how you can use those in your captions. Literally, you might be able to take some of them and use them word for word. The thing is, in the emails and the text messages that you're sending and the conversations that you're having, you're being friendly. You're being authentic. You are being you. You are talking to friends. And that's what people want to see from you in your captions, even if you're selling stuff, even if you're thinking that you're marketing something, because what is marketing except for connecting with people who you'd like to hang out with to create cool stuff with, right? At least for me as a writing coach, that's what I do. I hang out with really cool people. We have fun, we create together, and I get to sit in the joy of knowing that I had a positive impact. Pretty cool work, huh? Just like you have pretty cool work. Now let's get to it. Let's get your words on the page. Let's scoop up those remnants and write. If you need prompts, they're in the blog post. If you'd like more help, let me know. Send me a direct message. Text me, email me, reach out to me. I'm here. I just said that's what I love to do. So let's do it. Hi, I'm Julie Jordan Scott, the Creative Life Midwife, and I'm so grateful you are here because these tips are going to help you to write better, no matter what you're writing. You can be writing headlines, you can be writing sales letters, and you can be writing poetry. No matter what, your writing will get better because you use this really simple technique. So stay with me. Let's do this.